Hello guys, welcome to Sparking Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this Honeygain. Okay, your bee are sleeping. How do you wake it up and it's not moving? How can you make it to start moving? Okay, please. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get around this problem. And please take note, it is not compulsory that your bee must be awake before you can earn. But in this case, if your bee are sleeping and you are not earning, then there is problem. So you can always check if your bee is earning on your notification here or not. Okay, so you can always check if it's earning, and you can always check if your balance is adding. If your balance is not adding, then it means it's not earning. But if the bee is moving, probably it must be earning. But if it's not moving like this and it's earning, then no problem. But if it's moving and earning, still perfect. So how do you get around this problem? This is how you are going to do it, guys. But at the end of this video, I'm going to leave registration link in the comment section so that you can get registered, start earning. Watch the video on how to earn $3 immediately you sign up on this platform. If you did not watch the video, you may be having difficulties with your earnings, so you have to register the right way so that you'll be given the $3 bonus. Okay, remember I said I'm going to be leaving the registration link in the comment section of this video. That's at the end of this video. Now, to get around this problem, you can see this place here. This is how your dashboard looks like. Look at this place here, more. Click on it. When you click on it, you can see this place here, settings. Click on settings. So when you click on settings, you can see this option here, use mobile data. Turn it off. So when you turn it off, go to your dashboard. Click on home again. Click on home again. So you can see this app is paused. To start earning, to continue gathering, please allow the app to use mobile data. Then click on turn on mobile data. Then you can see it here, turn it on again, then go back. So we are waiting. So now we have refreshed it. Okay, now give it some time, or you can exit the app. You can exit the app and then open it back. If it's still not awake, what do you do again? Turn on your phone and then turn it back. So this is how I'll be getting around this problem. Okay, so this is the only solution to this. So give it time, it will wake up and start moving up and down again. So that is how I've been getting around this problem. Okay, in my previous video I woke it up, and now in this video is not yet awakened, but it's going to wake and start working. So I don't want to switch off this phone. If I switch off this phone now, this video will stop recording. So if you just do all these things I've shown you now, it's probably going to wake up. So that is how to do it, guys. It's very, very simple. Thank you. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to register on this Honeygain platform. How to register and then get $3. Please take note that it is very, very important for you to apply code for you to be able to get this $3. If you did not apply code, you will not get $3. Someone watched my previous video on this platform and he was complaining that he could not get a $3, and I asked him why he did not get a $3. He said he did not use the code as I instructed on the video. Please take note that if you did not use the code, you are not going to receive the bonus. You are not going to get that $3. Okay, you see this place here, take a look. You can see, don't forget to enter your code during registration. Don't forget to enter your code during registration. Now, where is the code? This is the code. You can see this code here. Can you see this code here? Click on it to copy it. So copy this code. So when you copy this code and then click on get the app, click on get app. Click on get app. So it's downloading now. Once it's downloaded, click on open. Click on setting, if then allow to install. Then install now. So once the app is done installing, then click on open the app. Open it. Please, this is how to register and get bonus on Honeygain. If you did not register this way, it means you are not going to get the bonus. Please take note. Then accept the terms and conditions. Skip introduction. Click on yes. Click on done. Click on disable battery optimization. Click on allow. Then you can see this place here, sign up and claim. Click on it. Then you see this code you copied now. You see this place here, redeem promo code. Click on redeem promo code. Then that code you copied, paste it here. Please, this is how to register. Take note and get the bonus. Then click on after you apply the code, then come to this place to enter your email, and then enter your password here, your preferred password. Enter your preferred password here. So I'm entering my preferred password here. You make sure that it's correct, and click on sign up. So we have now signed up. So once you sign up, click on confirm email. Click on confirm email. They're going to send you email. Click on confirm email. So they are going to send you email to your phone. That is, they are going to send you the link. You are going to confirm it before you can now start earning. They have sent my own already. So as you can see, here is it. So we are going to click on it now. You can see confirm email. Then click on confirm email. So you can see, guys, this is how to register. Click on accept all. You can now log in again. You can log in here. You can log in here, or you can go back to the app. You can go back to the app. So go to your phone, go back to the app and log in. Click on Honeygain. You have confirmed the email already, so you can now see it, guys. I've confirmed it. You can see that I'm earning now. Please, for you to be earning, make sure that your data is on. Oh, take note. Take note. Okay, so once you register, you're going to get this $3, and once you have the minimum payout of this $20, you can just request withdrawal. And you can see this place here. You can invite your friends as well to earn. So that's how to register on this platform. Please take note. So for you to be earning, your data must be on. If this your bee is sleeping, this bee, you can see that my bee is sleeping. So for you to wake up, you have to off your phone, on it back, or put your phone on flight mode and turn it on. When this bee is not moving, it means you are not earning. But once this bee is moving, it means you are earning. Please take note.